Hey guys, if you are looking for best laptops for FL Studio 21, you chose right video. Today we're going to review top 5 best laptops for FL Studio 21. After spending 2 weeks research, we make this list based on our personal preference and based on features, quality, prices, customers' reviews, and durability. Also, we make this list for every type for customers. So let's get started. Starting at number 5, Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio 14.4. The Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio 14.4 is a brand new laptop from Microsoft, and it's worth every penny. There are plenty of features on this laptop that makes it one of the best laptops for FL Studio 21. The laptop is of great quality and is compact and lightweight. The Microsoft Surface Studio 14.4 is a laptop that shows you the power of art. Use it with Microsoft Surface Dial or your favorite FL Studio 21 drawing app to create, collaborate, and play. The Studio 2.0 also delivers the power and performance you need to create, edit, and share with confidence. Start with a powerful processor and up to 16 GB of memory, and then you can expand up to 1 TB of storage with a USB stick. The Studio comes with the latest 11th Gen Intel Core i5 processor, a 4K display, and a 4K camera, and with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX GPU. You can now experience forks the performance of previous generations. The Studio 2.0 lets you express your creativity with a powerful 11th Gen Intel Core flexible processor that keeps up with your big ideas. The Surface Studio comes with a 4K multi-touch display that makes you feel. At number 4, Dell XPS 13 9305. The Dell XPS 13 9305 is still the best laptop for FL Studio 21. The display in this model is particularly good, with a 3200x1800 resolution and 19% more color gamma than a non-IPS panel. Plus, the 4K touch display on this laptop makes it great for artists who want a better way to work. The 9305 has one of the most vibrant displays we've ever seen. It's color accurate, too. In addition, its wide gamma display means the color you see on the screen is more accurate than the one that comes out of most screens. The 9305's display is also HDR certified, which means movies and games look even more vivid. The Dell XPS 13 9305's 4K touch display means it is easier to draw, paint, and sculpt. It's also easier to create graphics and visuals on a 4K display. The laptop came out several weeks ago and has quickly become the best laptop for FL Studio 21. The XPS 13 9305 has upgraded hardware with an even better processor and graphics. The laptop also features a better screen that has a wider viewing angle. The screen size is 13.3 inches. The Dell XPS 13 9305 has an exceptional battery life. The battery lasts over 10 hours under normal usage. The laptop has a super fast processor and a graphics card that is twice as fast as the 9300 model. The price is also better, which is a huge plus. Now number 3, Apple MacBook Pro M213. The MacBook Pro offers more power, speed, and graphics performance. Will be able to record audio synths, MIDI sequences, and plugins in 24/48K HC and 44.1K HC. The 4 GB of RAM the MacBook Pro has makes it compatible with most music plugins. The MacBook Pro's quad-core processor is much faster and more powerful than the Dell's dual-core processor. The keyboard is backlit. It is extremely fast, and the battery lasts longer than most other laptops. Best of all, the Apple MacBook Pro M213 is affordable. The engine of Apple Macs is Mac OS X, which is free, which helps your laptop security. It features a 13-inch 2560 by 1600 pixel screen, which is large enough for multitasking and viewing multiple windows at once. The MacBook Pro's processor and memory are optimized for music production. The MacBook Pro's 13-inch screen is bright, clear, and highly visible outdoors, and its resolution is 2560 x 1600. Now our second choice is Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5i. The Lenovo Flex 5i Chromebook is the best laptop for FL Studio. It's light, thin, and designed for a 4K display. It's perfect for editing music, watching videos, or editing photos. The processor and RAM are powerful enough to handle most tasks, and the memory is expandable. The IdeaPad Flex 5i Chromebook is simple to use. Just log into your Google account, and you're ready to go access to your email, documents, calendar, and more. The IdeaPad Flex 5i Chromebook streams audio that's surprisingly loud and clear for a compact device, thanks to its enhanced stereo speakers and built-in amplifier that's certified by Waves Audio. With the streamlined Chrome OS packed with the latest features, this convertible Chromebook offers a quick and nimble system response time. And our last product is Acer Predator Helios 300. The Acer Predator Helios 300 is the best laptop for the working professional who needs a big, fast, and high-performance machine. It's also the best laptop for FL Studio 21 if you use your computer for video editing and audio mixing. The laptop has a powerful Intel Core i7 processor, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 laptop GPU, and 16 GB of fast 2666 MHz memory. It also has one of the largest 512 GB solid-state drives, SSDs, available, giving the computer super fast boot times, fast file access, and plenty of room to store all your programs, files, and media libraries. The Predator Helios 300 also has a great keyboard, large, bright 15.6-inch display, and customizable RGB keyboard lighting. The backlit keyboard is big enough for writing long reports, and the keyboard lighting can be customized to any of 16 million colors. So it looks great with any color scheme. On the side of the screen you'll find speakers, which are powered by Dolby Audio. You'll be able to enjoy surround sound with these speakers. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.